My funny Valentine, sweet comic Valentine, you made me smile with my heart. Yeah. You are so laughable, unphotographable. Standing back with my ex-boy, he's in the place, but I can't get joy. Thinking of you all in a final throes. This is where my birthday goes, 'cause you're my fella, my guy, and me still I fly. By the time I'm out of door, you tear me down like a Roger Moore. I cheated myself like I knew I would. I told you I was in trouble. Kiss the morning goodbyes, but down inside to know we never know why. The road is narrow and long, with eyes with eyes, and a feeling strong. I turn away from the wall, I stumble and fall, but I give you it all. I am a woman in love, and I do anything. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I don't know how to get along, and saw you back from outer space. I just walk in to find you here without a look upon her face. Should have changed a stupid life, should have made a little key if I known just 1 second. You've been back to bother me, gone, now gone. Walk out the door, just turn around.